English communication is very important today. It helps us talk with people. It helps us share our ideas. It also helps in study, work, and daily life. Many students want to speak English better, but they do not know how to start. The good news is anyone can learn English. You only need the right way and daily practice. In this lesson, you will learn step by step. It will show you simple ways to improve English communication. 1. Build a strong vocabulary. Words are like small blocks that make sentences. Without enough words, you cannot say what you want. Try to learn a few new words daily. Write them in a small book and use them in sentences. For example, if you learn the word happy, write, "I feel happy when I play with my friends." Do not just remember the word, also practice how to use it in daily life. 2. Practice speaking every day. Speaking is the most important part of English. Many students can read and understand, but they feel shy when they talk. To get better, you must speak every day. Start with small and easy sentences like, "I am drinking water," or "I am reading a book." Try to speak in front of a mirror. You will feel more brave. If you have friends, talk with them in English. The more you speak, the better you will become. 3. Listen carefully to native speakers. Listening helps you learn how English sounds. You will know the right way to say words, the tone, and the natural style. Watch movies, cartoons, news, or YouTube in English. Listen carefully to how people talk. Do not just watch for fun. Try to copy the way they speak. You can repeat after them. This is called shadowing, and it helps you speak more fluently. 4. Read simple English materials. Reading makes your English stronger. It helps you learn grammar, new words, and sentence style. Begin with small storybooks, articles, or comics. Do not worry if you cannot understand every word. Try to guess the meaning. Reading often will give you many words and ideas. You can also read aloud. This will help your speaking and pronunciation. 5. Write to express your ideas. Writing is also important. When you write, you think in English and learn to make correct sentences. Start with a small diary. Write about your day, your feelings, or your plans. For example, today I woke up early. I ate breakfast. Then I studied English for 1 hour. Writing every day will make your grammar better and your communication clear. 6. Focus on pronunciation. Good pronunciation helps people understand you. If your words are not clear, others may not get your meaning. Practice hard sounds like th in think and the in very. Use online dictionaries to listen to correct sounds. Say the words many times until they feel easy. You do not need to copy every accent. Just speak slowly and clearly so everyone can understand. 7. Learn basic grammar rules. You do not need to learn all grammar rules. Focus on the basic ones. For example, tenses and subject-verb agreement. Learn the difference between I eat, I am eating, and I will eat. These small rules will make your English correct and easy to follow. Practice grammar when you speak and write, not only by reading rules. 8. Remove the fear of mistakes. Many students do not speak because they fear making mistakes. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The most important thing is to speak and share your ideas. Every mistake is a lesson. Do not stay quiet. The more you try, the fewer mistakes you will make. 9. Improve confidence step by step. Confidence is the key to good communication. Start small. Speak 1 or 2 sentences every day. Later, try small talks. Slowly, you will feel normal when speaking. Do not compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own speed. Look at your progress and feel happy for your small success. With time, your confidence will grow. 10. Use English in daily life. The best way to learn is to use English daily. Change your phone to English. Think in English when you are alone. Try to name things around you. For example, if you see a cat, say in your mind, "The cat is small and cute." These small habits will make English feel natural.
11. Learn from real conversations. Books are useful, but real conversations help more. Try to talk with native speakers online or face-to-face. You can use apps to find people from other countries. Real conversations teach you natural words, body language, and quick answers. This practice will make you speak faster and more naturally. You will also learn the right way to start and end a talk. Talking with real people gives you more confidence. 12. Be patient and consistent. Learning English takes time. You cannot be fluent in 1 week or 1 month, but if you practice daily, you will see progress. It is better to study a little every day than to study a lot only once. Be patient. Do not stop. If you keep going, your English will get better. Remember, even small steps bring big results later. Consistency is more powerful than speed. 13. Use technology to practice. Technology makes English practice easy. Use mobile apps, online lessons, or podcasts. Record your voice and listen to it. You will notice mistakes and improve. You can also join online classes with teachers and other learners. Technology can be your friend in learning. Watching English videos with subtitles is also very helpful. You can pause and repeat until you understand. 15. Learn phrases, not only words. Phrases are more useful than single words. For example, instead of only learning hungry, learn I am very hungry. Instead of help, learn can you help me please? Phrases make your sentences sound real, natural, and polite. They also save you time when you speak. Learning full sentences makes you speak more smoothly. It also helps you understand how words join together. 16. Practice in real situations. Try to use English whenever you can. For example, in a shop, ask for something in English. When you meet a new person, greet in English. At first, it may feel strange, but real practice will train your brain to use English without fear. The more you use English, the more natural it becomes. Do not wait for the perfect time. Practice in daily life. Final words. Improving English communication is a long journey. You need practice, patience, and courage. Start small and grow step by step. Speak daily, listen carefully, read more, and write to share your thoughts. Use easy words but speak with confidence. Do not be afraid of mistakes because they help you learn. If you follow these steps, your English will improve each day. Remember, the more you practice, the better you will be. English is not just a school subject. It is a tool that helps you connect with the world. So keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving.